Hi mga ka-person! So, anong ganap natin today for today's video? Well, I decided to have my pamper day and I'll be having my eyelash lift again and have my eyebrow laminated. Magre-visit tayo sa Black Studio PH. So, yun na nga. Chika muna tayo konti. So, that's why I'm just having an eyebrow lamination kasi I have a low pain tolerance. I cannot go through with like the tattoo eyebrow. So, peka-peka na lang tayo ng lamination. And anyways, there's this kind of eyebrow lamination with like parang pigmented, meron na siyang henna or something. So it could save us time, like yung mga working mom dyan, gano'n, diba? Onti-onting pulbo na lang, lipstick, hindi mo na siya aayusin for everyday mo. And I believe that parang it would last like 2 to 3 weeks for the eyebrow lamination. Depende sa paghilamos mo ng face. Kasi it could last a month then if medyo careful kayo sa hilamos ng face. And then with my eyelash, I always use eyelash magnetic kasi I don't want to be my eyelash to be permanent kasi diba the whole day maganda ka na tapos pagising mo maganda ka pa rin. Oh my god. Syempre gusto ko gumising naman ng kahit pangit na konti. Pangit na naman. So ayun lang. That's for since I'll be having my mga projects and something. So with the eyelash lift and eyebrow lamination, that could save my time for having my makeup routines like that. So ayun lang muna. So later, let's see you at the clinic. Hi mga ka-person, paalis na tayo, pupunta na tayo sa Black Studio. So I didn't wear that much of makeup kasi buburahin lang nila doon. So kitang-kita nyo, walang kahit ano ang aking mata. So ayun lang, see you in the clinic. Ayun na mga ka-person, so dumating na tayo sa location pero hanapin pa natin yung clinic. O diba, nakuha pang umaura kahit naliligaw na siya. So for their exact location, they are at the ground floor. Yan, transition muna tayo mga ka-person. Hi! Good afternoon. So we're here now at the Harlas.
Makikita po ba?
Yeah. If it's okay, yeah. What's your name?
Irene.
Irene.
Yung nakausap niyo po yung may-ari.
Yeah. So, si Ma'am Irene, she's here to confirm our booking from their clinic, yeah. And yeah, as you can see, it's so very luxury kind of type here, and it's so refreshing, right? So later, we'll just film the procedures and other stuff. Later. So, ito na po yung mga rates and offer service nila. You can just post a video to look into the services. By the way, Hibla Studio is located at the ground floor of One Circle building beside V Coffee, opposite of the Oceano, here in Antipolo City. And if you can see, mayroon pa silang pati, and they just remove my shoes and give me a slippers. Diba, napaka-social. So before we start, they gave me time to have a relaxing and refreshing time. At ayun na nga, I just went to their restroom. Napakalinis and para siyang nasa hotel. And it was so clean and super bango. Game, let's start. So, hello po. Nandito na po tayo kay Miss J. Siya po ang mag-a-assist sa atin for today. And siya po yung gagawin eyelash lift and the eyebrow lamination po. So, ayun na. So, yun na nga, ginagawa niya na yung procedure ng eyebrow lamination ko. Hindi ko siya na-film the whole time kasi na-lowbat ako. Pero, masasabi ko lang is napakagaan ng kamay ni Miss Jane. And I fell asleep the whole time after namin magkwentuhan. So, Miss J gave me a little bit of background of their procedure, and it came from Vietnam. For the eyebrow lamination, just like what I said from the start of the video, it will take 2 to 3 weeks time for it to last. And for their eyelash lift, it's the same. Depende na rin talaga on how you're gonna take care of that after the procedure. Bale, yung eyelash lift ko, hindi siya matatapos dyan that day since I have an emergency meeting for my project. So, good thing, napakabait nila. They rescheduled me for another booking for the second session of my eyelash lift. Pero, matatapos naman dyan yung eyebrow lamination ko. And you'll see. And here is the finished product of my eyebrow lamination. Now we're in the following day for our second session of our eye lift, and since hindi nga siya natapos, I'm on my way now to Hibla Studio. here is the finished product of their eyelash lift. Another one happy customer here again. Thank you, Hibla Studio.